Rainy morning, everyone. So today is an exciting trip because we are going to IKEA. So I am so excited. So I did my makeup. We're very neutral right now. Here in Washington State, we are already at phase 3. So we're able to go now to like some of the stores because before it's not open. So it's been a while since I went out and we went on a trip. We're just making sure that we're safe, and though I haven't had my vaccine yet, but because I just had my other vaccines like the flu, whatever, I know I'm gonna put on mask, but I don't care. I got disposable mask, so I can just dispose whatever I'm gonna use. So if you want to know my lipstick, this is from MAC. I chocolate something is the shade, I don't know. Yeah, so I'm just waiting for my husband and we're going to IKEA because I need to set up my own vanity. So I'm able to save up for that because of my YouTube and my other, you know, influencer gigs. So they like pay me for like if I post a video or something. So I'm able to save up, and now we are going to get my vanity. So yeah, it's actually my first time to go to IKEA. Yeah, we don't have IKEA back in our country in the Philippines, but we are I know that we are also constructing the first biggest IKEA in the Philippines, so it's exciting. So I just want to know like what's in there. I'm so excited. It has been my dream to get my own vanity because, you know me, I love doing my makeup and I want it to be organized. And yeah, so just follow us on our trip, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. There's the Camaro. There's a Camaro behind us, that one.
It's got its halos on.
Yeah. So the weather is a little bit foggy. Damn.
That's probably just mist, actually.
Oh yeah. It's mist? Okay.
Look at Tacoma Dome. Focus camera. Tacoma Dome is looking good, and just a little bit traffic here. A little bit. Yeah. Ooh, I still have my face on.
Okay guys, we're here. This is my first time. Damn, bro. You drive so fast. IKEA. There's IKEA, everyone. Okay, so now time to look for parking. Drove for almost an hour to go here, so finally we're here. Gotta look for parking. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Look at that. Okay, this is the entrance. We're going in. What are you saying? Motherfucker, there's a long line inside. Gotta wait. You are crazy.
I know.
We're
I have
entering.
minor net 40 because I don't have to say.
Right, that's not a conversation you're having anymore, right?
Completely different one.
Yeah.
Just as tension ridden.
I'm watching.
Sometimes.
Wow. Wow. Yeah, we're inside. Oh, see, it's warmer here. Okay, so what do we do now? Okay, so now he wants to eat first.
11.
Huh? Where? Where did you see that? We're looking for the restaurant.
11.
11. Oh, there, 11.
Oh, there's a shortcut.
Oh, so how do we shortcut? Oh, you are here. Okay, let's see. are at the... it's all connected. We are getting lost at IKEA. We are getting lost. Here, baby. It is. Here it is. What we're looking for. We should find the this is the bookshelf. Okay. Here are the bookshelves. So here is the IKEA Kallax. Oh, this one is nice. So for our like, this one is nice. For like,
Oh, it's actual metal.
yeah, but you can remove that if you want, cause that one is cost $17.99.
Yeah, but it's real metal.
8. It's 8 cubes for only $69.99. That's nice because we will put like the consoles, your Wi-Fi routers, the... Wow, look at this. Look at that. This is like the living room that I want.
I'm sorry you got the living room you have.
Kago. Look, oh, like all black. Oh my gosh, like the furniture all black. Bruh, this is like the closet that I want. Is the door detachable? Look at that. This is like the closet. This is like a full length mirror. I like that. Like, look at that kitchen. Ah, this is my favorite kitchen. Oh, I like this kitchen. It's freaking big. Oh my gosh. Where I can't reach that. We are lost.
I'm a dishwasher.
Oh, that's cute.
Yeah, that's cool.
That's cool. Yeah, he wants that. Faucet. Wish you could get that. Oh, this is bougie. This is bougie.
Oh, it's magnetic.
Oh, really? Oh, cool. Finally, we fucking found it. Oh my gosh, the chair looks so good, baby. I like the chair. I like the chair. Okay, so where is the vanity?
There's Alex.
Oh, there. Oh, there's the Alex drawers. But we're looking for the 5. Oh, there it is. I found it. This is what I'm looking for. Oh my gosh. The black and the looks good. It looks good though, the color.
I'd rather it be white.
Yeah, but I'd rather be white.
We've been looking at the white, so let's just get the white.
Yep, so we're gonna get the number. We're gonna get the number. So you have to look for the tables, the deals. So that's $4 each. Which they This one baby is the tabletop, the new one.
Oh, you wanted that one?
But this one is made of... How would you know how...
Right, that one's using a frickin' this tabletop.
Yeah, that one.
Yeah.
That's why I'm telling you, like, we could, but it's thick though. Yeah, this is like the exact setup that I want.
Yeah, so you get the tabletop you want, the drawers that you want, and the color, and then the table leg in the color you want. So you come up here, you find what table length. So this one is a 704-608.
So I should get this one.
This one, yeah. So you go to aisle 12 instead.
Okay, let me take a picture of that. Yeah. So here are the Alex drawers. Oh, it's on sale. It's on sale.
It's also unavailable
Ay, po ka ng inang yan.
because it's on sale.
Yeah, but to buy this, what about this one? To buy this item, contact an IKEA worker. Oh, I love this. But where do you get the 5? Oh, nice. Yep. I already got the number. It's there pala on the desk that we saw. It's just, it's not displayed, but they have it.
$229.
Tawa? Fucking shit. How much for the chairs? $229. Damn. This one is like $79. I did not know that chairs will be that expensive, bruh. Is it comfortable? Yeah. Very nice. Nice rooms. Oh, the Johnson. You pali. You're embarrassing. Oh, look at yeah. We're always getting lost here. Oh, I like this black hole. Oh my god, that is nice. Huh?
I said this could be your
Oh, yeah.
but unfortunately you got Bremerton.
Because we're not living in the city. It's really like shower, but we will lose the bathtub, no?
Mm-hmm.
Aw. And there's a plant. A fake one? It's a fake one.
You can buy it. $19.99.
What the fuck? Oh, there's the room. Oh my gosh. Look at that. We should have a closet like this. Oh my gosh. Oh, look at the bathtub. It's so bougie. Oh my gosh. I love this bathroom so much. Because it's black and white. Oh my god. Just look at this. Okay. Oh my gosh, who wrote that? Look at the vintage. Look at the vintage like faucet. Oh my gosh. I like it. I want to be living here. Yeah, I like this. Look at the aesthetic. Look at the aesthetic of that. I like it. Look at the mirror. Oh, the vanity. Ours. Can we go there? Oh my gosh. Oh, there. You can buy that one.
99 cents, so why not?
Yeah, how does it look like? How big is it?
Huge.
For groceries, no?
It's huge.
Yeah, for
Like a shower.
groceries. You don't have children. You don't have children. How many did you get? Gag, what does that mean? HYGGE.
Doormat.
Really? Who says so? You're inventing. Now we're just going around circles. Oh, nice rug. There's like this lamp with Bluetooth. Oh, this is nice. We need a clock in our living room because
That one's fake.
that one's fake. That one's fake. In Animal Crossing, that's fake. That's a fake one. In Animal Crossing. Decorate. Oh, I want that to put in my vanity room. This isn't. But this one is a fake one. This one is a fake one. I've been wanting like a full-length mirror, but this is like $129. Oh my gosh. And then we found the self-service furniture where we're gonna get the candles. They smell so good. They smell so good. I want a candle. And now here is the self-serve furniture where we're gonna get the furnitures. Okay, so get a cart. Gago.
Just sit on it. I'm serious.
I'll sit on it. You sit at ulo.
You got cinnamon buns for $1 there.
Cinnamon buns where?
Way at the top there.
Oh my god. Okay, we're gonna get that later. But first we need to... Oh my gosh, the freaking warehouse is so big. This is like a wonderland for me. For furnitures. Okay, let's go first to aisle 10 because that's where the furniture that we are looking for. So, we're gonna go there. Aisle 10. Aisle 10. Aisle 10, my love. Aisle 10, bin 19. There's
That
nothing.
one's black. No. Oh,
This one is, baby, this one is here.
I know.
This one is there. I think we have to like score through the everything. Okay, so the white one.
Which one was it that you wanted?
Well, it's up to you. You choose the size.
7.
This is a 47 by oh, 22.99. Not bad. Yep. Okay, since everything is out of stock, so what we're gonna do? Yeah. We're gonna get this leg cap then.
Do you want the medium length one, or are you okay with the short one?
The medium length, this one.
Because we gotta reuse that somewhere else later.
Yeah, I know. It can be used as another desk. Oh, is it light? Why am I?
It's super heavy. I'm just kind of balancing.
Oh. Why do you do that sound? You're so embarrassing. Okay, gago, stop it. You're crazy.
Here's the bottom.
Yeah. Okay, guys, so everything is sold out here. The white Alex drawers. So like, there's a guy or a couple that has been like holding on to the Alex drawers. So when they got out, when they like get off, we immediately like got the drawers, and now we are gonna get like a tabletop, but like a different color, because you know we need a long one. Oh, here, so we got this like captain 78 inches long, because we got 2 Alex drawers, and the one that the first tabletop that we got is only for 52 inches, so it's not gonna fit that much. I'm only gonna have like a short desk space. So yeah, we're just improvising here. Where's my husband? He's like looking for a tabletop. So yeah guys, so here we found the legs. They don't even have like the they're all freaking sold out of everything. So yeah, we're gonna pay for this and we're gonna eat, because my husband is mad pissed now. So we're here at the checkout. Bought this one, and then we're gonna go there at the food court, and we're gonna get those cinnamons, which is only $1. We're gonna eat. Okay. So my husband made it work. This is the tabletop. How long is this? 78. So we know that the Camaro now is 78 more inches, a little bit.
Yeah, if you remove the headrest.
Remove the headrest. The headrest is at the back. So yeah, so these are the 2 drawers, and we made it work. So now we want to eat, but there's a long line at the so we're just gonna eat somewhere else. So yeah, see ya. You baliw.
She hates that noise.
You're crazy. Okay, let's go somewhere to eat. Guys, so here is our car, and here how he managed to get the tabletop, the 78 inches tabletop, and the 2 Alex drawers. And then this is how close I am to the dashboard, and my back hurts. But
I don't want to.
but this is like a Final Destination hazard. It's right on his neck. He has to like, what do you call that? Get off the what do you call that? Get the headrest off for the meantime. Guys, so I'm gonna be separating 2 videos, so just watch my part 2 video for when we build my vanity, and
When you build your vanity.
when we built my vanity. Yeah, so please do like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you again.